Hello and welcome to My Finance Teacher. Let's have a look at Litecoin, as I think there is something interesting happening in Litecoin. It has been enjoying a nice run up all the way through 2019 basically, and I want to have a look at whether it would be advisable to jump on board now, whether it's a little bit too late, or whether investors should be somewhat cautious with Litecoin versus Bitcoin. First of all, starting with cycles in Litecoin versus Bitcoin, since the beginning of 2018, since the beginning of the bear market in cryptocurrencies, Litecoin has given us 9 cycles within 418 days. That means that on average cycles last for about 45 days. And the way I recognize cycles on this chart is they tend to create lows below 20-day moving average and highs above that 20-day moving average when Litecoin is trading within a range. When there is a persistent downtrend, the cycle tops generally retest that 20-day moving average, and when there is a persistent uptrend, the cycle lows generally retest that moving average. So far around 45 days per cycle. Let's zoom in a little bit. The last 2 cycles lasted for 37 and 40 days. And the current cycle is on day 25, which means in another couple of weeks or so, we should see some sort of a cycle low. So within the next several days, I expect Litecoin to break below this 20-day moving average, even if it's not a significant break below that average. Another indicator for possible lower prices on Litecoin versus Bitcoin is RSI. RSI has already visited overbought territory several times within the last several weeks. And besides that, RSI is not conforming these higher highs. In other words, RSI is showing us a negative divergence, which is also often an indication that the price might cool down for a while. And the last, and in my opinion, most interesting chart I want to show you at the moment is this longer term chart with the 200-day moving average. Going again all the way back to the beginning of 2018, to the beginning of the bear market in cryptocurrencies. Within this old bear market, the price of Litecoin versus Bitcoin has only been higher as compared to its 200-day moving average once in February last year, when it was around 84% higher than the moving average. At the moment, the price is already nearly 65% above the moving average. And a simple mean reversion tells me that the price either should cool down for a while, or cryptos are just going to explode in spring 2019. So what do you guys think? Are we going to see an explosion in cryptos all through this spring and summer? Or are we going to get a chance to pick up some Litecoin at the price of about 1% of Bitcoin per 1 Litecoin? Let me know what you think in the comments below, and also let me know what are your emotions on Litecoin. Do you want it to explode higher, or do you want to get a chance to convert some of your Bitcoins into Litecoin? Besides the comments, remember to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, ring that bell for notifications, and good luck in your trades.